Quick start. Unpacking an essential phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a commonly used English phrase, quick start. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding such phrases is key to mastering the English language. Let's explore together what quick start means and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Quick start refers to beginning something promptly and efficiently, often without unnecessary delays or preparations. This phrase is widely used in various contexts, from technology to everyday life. For instance, a quick start guide in a gadget box means instructions that help you start using the product immediately. Let's look at some examples. 1. Work context. As soon as the meeting begins, let's get a quick start on the project discussion. 2. Sports. The team got off to a quick start, scoring 2 goals in the first 10 minutes. 3. Technology. This app is great because it offers a quick start feature for new users. Understanding these examples helps in grasping the versatility of the phrase. To use quick start effectively, context is key. Ensure the situation implies an action or process that can begin rapidly. Combine with action verbs. Phrases like, let's get a quick start on, or to have a quick start in, are common. Quick start is a phrase that encapsulates efficiency and promptness. Whether in professional settings, sports, or technology, it's a handy expression to communicate the idea of starting something swiftly and without fuss. I hope this video helps you incorporate quick start into your English vocabulary with confidence. Happy learning!